Man, I can't just gather that mental morale. Like, I don't just gather that courage to come do this video. Like, this is the second day right now. Like, I just dey wonder how I want to talk about this. Like, what did I really do? Like, how? How come? Like, how manage? Because sincerely, I don't just believe myself. Person tell me I don't go believe, but it happened, guy. If they look my skin like this now, you go see, like, you see my skin right now. This was the trade I did. I think I've done two videos about this trade also. I took this trade last 2 weeks ago. That was on Thursday, if I'm not mistaken. That should be either on 14th or 12th of February. I took this trade, and this trade was a clean setup. Like when I say clean setup, it was a wonderful setup. And what make us take this trade? This trade was a double bottom here, and which was what we took. And I did not enter it at the close of the candle. I waited for the candle to close. I anticipated a pullback, which was this. This is a double bottom here. From here to here, that's a double bottom. I anticipated a pullback, and a pullback happened, and I sniping. I sniped in, and the trade was booming. Like I felt like I there was this mental courage. There was this courage I felt, on this trade. Now this trade went up to this particular spot, like up to this point, and from here to here, like I don't know if you can guess how many X is it, like how many X it did. Oh, this is roughly 1:10. Oh. But I held on because my target is 1:22, which is here. 1:22. I held on this trade. At this point, I feel like I should take half profit. I feel like why taking half profit? Because there was this kind of I have this strong conviction that Bitcoin is gonna play out, like the trade fucking gonna play out. Though I was anticipating that Bitcoin is gonna hit around that I think 90, yeah, 93K. But I felt like I should just take my profit, even if it just when it gets to this point, I'll take profit, or maybe I'll take half of the profit. I held this trade, though. Like I held this trade came down to this spot, as you guys can see. It went down, down, down up to this spot. I still held it. It went up again. I felt like the market is continuing the trend. And because of that, I could not take this setup here. There is a setup here, which I not take. And that was here. A downward trend. Here, I skipped it. This particular spot here, there was a setup here. There's a double bottom here. I didn't take it. Why? Because I felt like this first one we still hold. And guess what? On Sunday, yeah, on Sunday, early morning, around 3 o'clock, I woke up. I just received notification. First of all, I shout now. It's not possible. Like, it's not possible. I just went down to my phone. It was in my like lost. I just checked out for trading views lost. And to tell you how dependent I was on this trade, look at this is my profile account. This thing was on the last time I did the video, it was on green, like it was around that either 50% or so profit. Now this is what it did, like this is where it is right now. Like I could not just believe it, like I don't just believe one. Like I can't just believe it that it happened, but it happened for real. So but anyway, this is trading, man. This is trading. Anything happens in trading, like it's only a food I would say it's 100%, obviously. But some trades are more certain to play out, and those trades that are more certain to play out, you tend to believe it more. An example of this one now. And when it eventually goes out, you feel more heartbroken. And this is an example of it. It is what it is, man. I've lost it. Like I fucking lost it. This trade now, what at least in this trade more than 1K now. It's more than 1K from profit to loss. Like, but it is what it is. I just have to accept it and move on. I just pray that let me be able to take a win. That will at least at this point, I'm not even talking about profit. Let me just clear this. Let me just clear this right good first. Then I'll get back to my break even. Then I'll start the journey fresh. It's a painful experience, anyways. But what can I do? Like, what can I do? Basically, just it is what it is. It is what it is. So we're just watching. I just keeping our fingers crossed to see whether we're gonna get any trade and see what happens next. But no lies, it hurts. Like it's really hot. It's hot so much. Like I can't even remember the last time I felt this kind of pain. I felt kind of disappointment. But it is what it is. We accept it.